Hello, my name is Jerry Smith, part of the Microsoft Teams team. Over 1 billion people around the world today experience some form of disability. You can pretty much assume that if you have a lot of online meetings, some of the folks you're talking with will have a disability, whether you're aware of it or not. Our customers and employees have taught us a great deal about what features and practices are necessary to create an inclusive and accessible experience. We're still very much on that journey, but I'll walk you through 7 things you can do in Teams right now to create a more inclusive meeting. The first tip is to turn your video on when you join a meeting, if you can. This is especially helpful for colleagues that are deaf or hard of hearing who may read lips, or for anyone who could use more context for the discussion. For example, if you speak a different language because things like humor or sarcasm don't easily translate. My next big tip is to blur your background or use a background image unless you're communicating in sign language. This will keep the focus on you while removing distractions. This is especially helpful for those who read lips, as well as those with conditions like ADHD for whom focus can be challenging. My third tip is to use PowerPoint Live when you are presenting. You can choose this when you share in a meeting, or you can now directly share to Teams from an open PowerPoint. For blind and low vision users, PowerPoint Live allows screen readers to access the content in the slides, something that is not possible through a simple screen share. It also allows everyone in the meeting to follow along at their own pace with personalized settings. For example, participants can move back and forth through the slides or opt to view slides in high contrast mode without impacting the presenter. And finally, with the power of AI, anyone in the audience can translate the slides into any one of 19 languages, again without affecting the presenter or anyone else in the meeting. My fourth tip is to enable live captions. The Teams Live Captions feature provides auto-generated real-time captions in 28 different languages for Teams meetings and calls. Captions can help a whole range of participants follow along, from deaf and hard of hearing people to speakers of another native language, to those working in very noisy or quiet locations. The Teams closed caption text size and color can also be customized to make them easier to see. Tip number 5 is to arrange for cart captioning to be provided when appropriate. Teams allows meeting organizers and presenters to connect a human captioner to the call, to type out what is said in real time. Cart captioning is typically very precise at capturing everything in a meeting, including specialized jargon and different accents. And this type of manual captioning is also a firm requirement in many government agencies and highly regulated settings. The next tip, number 6, is to turn on recording and transcription with one click, so participants can review the discussion at their own pace, during or after the call. Any Teams meeting or call can be recorded to capture audio, video, and screen sharing activity. The recording happens in the cloud and is saved to OneDrive and SharePoint so you can share it securely across your organization. The meeting recording also shows up in the meeting chat or channel conversation after the meeting. And my final tip, tip number 7, is to add alt text to the images you share in the chat window so that screen readers can describe them to those who can't see the image. This allows for a more inclusive conversation where everyone can understand the full context. By using these 7 tips, you can ensure that your meetings are more inclusive, meaningful, and impactful in Microsoft Teams. For details on these features and more, go to aka.ms/inclusive Teams meetings, or just click on the link in the video description. Microsoft is committed to making all of our products and services more accessible. Please visit our accessibility site for more detailed information on our features and initiatives across our entire company. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video.